Friends, today I want to give the message of befriending Corona. Why I want to befriend Corona is because Corona is just surviving. As a human being, we also want to survive, and Corona also wants to survive. There's nothing wrong in it. Anyway, we are living with so many viruses and bacteria in our body. Why not to live with Corona? Those people who have accepted it or their immune system have accepted it have not fought it in a very great way have come out of corona very easily. So the people whose immune system has fought against it in an extreme way are dying of corona. So, in general, we can say that those people who have accepted corona as it is and are not fighting against it are coming out of it. That is one thing. Second thing, I think corona is just balancing the life forms on earth. We human beings have behaved so selfishly. We were destroying environment. We have extinguished so many species on the earth. So many plants, animals, birds got extinguished because we were destroying the nature. Not only that, we fought so many world wars. And what we were doing in the world wars? We were just killing other human beings. At that time, we never felt any emotions about our fellow human beings. Now, when virus is killing humans, we are crying. Why we were not feeling anything when we were killing each other in the world war? In the world war, we had a reason to save our country, maybe our religion, but the virus has a greater reason than us. Virus is saving this earth from the selfish human beings, and we should be happy about it. Let us surrender to the nature. Let us surrender to the God or the universe because it is just trying to balance life forms on the earth. It's not that only humans have the right to survive on this earth. All other living creature has the right to survive, including Corona. Let us befriend Corona, accept it as it is, and surrender to the nature, surrender to the universe that whatever it is doing with us or with earth is for the greater good of all of us. Maybe we will leave this earth planet better for our future generation if corona is doing what it is doing. Thank you.